this is Caroline, always reminding you that you are beautiful. So today I'm here with another review, again, another cleaning product. I want to put this thing to the test. So we don't have in our apartment hardwood floors. I will add it into the description what type of floors these are. I have a steamer that I used to use in our old apartment, and of course that works great for tile floors. But now moving into this apartment last year, I was looking for something that's easy, effective, and wouldn't damage the floors that we have here. I was at Walmart, and this is $25.99, so $26. And this is the Swiffer Wet Jet Wood. So this one is battery operated. What I was typically using is the Swiffer manual one, where you just add the pads at the bottom. Now, I love the scent of the Swiffer, the manual mop. Biggest hang up with that is I have a tiny apartment, and I would go through probably 6 pads. Like, that's a lot of work to change those pads in and out. And I mean, I just felt like that's not what I want to spend my day doing. I want something that's gonna be clean and effective and fast. So we are trying this out. So I'm gonna do the unboxing here on my channel, and then you will see me mopping, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. So this one says it has an ultra fine mist spray, microfiber light pads, and a quick dry solution, and 4 AA batteries. So I am not open this. So I'm curious on what it looks like. I'm sure it's pretty similar to its manual one. I'm wondering what the battery part is for. Like, what is it gonna do? So when it says remove when dirty, I'm kind of thinking it's like going to go through a bunch of pads. I'm hoping that's not the case, because that was my big hang up with the manual mop. Okay. Basically the bar. So I love when things you buy actually come with a bar. Okay, that was an easy slide, right? Slides it right. It says to attach the pad brown strip down. Okay. Let's not say what this looks like. Insert charger, spray, vaporizer, eject, empty bottle, and replace. Okay. And spray and clean. Seems simple enough. Let's see how it works out. Start off with my hallway, and then we're gonna go into the living room kitchen area, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, keep watching. Isn't that kind of cool? Okay, I know, I'm weird. I am back, and I'm here to give you my final honest review. Like I said, always, I want to be a channel of integrity. I'm not getting paid for doing this, but I love to pass on things that actually work. We don't have time or the finances to be testing out a bunch of different things. So here on YouTube, it's great that you can look up other people's reviews. I know it's super gross, but I did want to show you all. I cleaned, so we have a combo living room, eating area, and then we have a very small hallway. So this is what the pad looks like. As I said before, when I'm using the regular Swifter, I'm changing out the pads probably 4 to 7 times, just because I like everything to look good. And as I'm mopping, I can tell if it's losing cleaning power, and so I replace it. I did not replace this, and I think this pad is great. I also wanted to show you guys, of course you can't see this, but the bottle when I first started, which should have showed you earlier, was right here at the top. And so now the solution from cleaning is here. I am trigger happy. I love a clean area. I'm spraying all throughout the mopping process. So it's already at halfway mark. All right, let's talk about the price. Again, I did state in the beginning of the video that I got this product from Walmart. It is $25.99. So you're rounding up, it's basically $26. I did go ahead and find out how much the pads cost and this cleaning solution. So on the website for Walmart, you can get a 20 pack for $11.97, basically $12. Now this cleaning solution is $5.22 at Walmart. So one of these cleaning solutions, and if you're thinking I'm using about half per cleaning job, because I have 3 kids and I'm going in and out, and my home is a shoe-free home, but I still like to mop because there's many spills, and I'm not sure what other people do and how often they mop, but I mop my floors the minimum 2 times a week. And so I'm thinking I'm probably gonna need one of these a week. So that's a lot. For a 2-pack, it's $9.42. So you save if you get a double pack, which is probably what I will go ahead and do. How does the mop work? I'm not sure if you could tell by the video. One of the best things that I like about this mop is the ease of it. I feel like it gets a really good traction when I'm using the mop. The heavy duty pads are great. Like they don't feel flimsy. So I feel like I'm actually getting a grip on the dirt on the floor. And of course I'm going in and I'm looking carefully because you know, you get those little sticky spots and I don't want to sit there and mop the entire house and then see all of that. So I'm constantly monitoring it as I'm mopping, which like most people do. You don't want to do a job twice. You want to do it right the first time, even if it takes you a little bit longer. So the ease of the mop is awesome. Putting it together, as you guys saw, took no time at all. That is also a plus. I like the function of the design of the mop because I think it gets into very tight areas. It gets into corners, but it also covers a large space. So it cuts down on your cleaning time. I also like that these mops eliminate the whole process of rinsing out your mop head. Because when I'm mopping with the traditional mop, which I cannot do here because it's these type of floors, I rinse my mop all throughout the cleaning process, and this eliminates it. I feel like the mop itself, I think it's a very sturdy design. Now the downsides for this, I would say it's not eco-friendly because the pads can only be used one time. It's not reusable. The light feature, I'm not sure what they were thinking about. I think that's just a waste. I'm not sure. If anyone knows why they put a light feature into this mop, please comment below. I'm curious. I'm like, is it when you're going under tables? It's not enough light to even see under a table. I feel like that was a waste. Other con is I wish that the handle was a tiny bit longer. I'm 5'4". So me asking for a little bit of a higher handle is kind of odd, right? The other negative, I don't know if they have multiple cleaning solutions. I very much miss the original pads that the manual Swifter has. It's such a pleasant scent. This, I don't like it at all. It's kind of a very weird, light medicinal scent, and I don't like that. I like when I'm cleaning that everything smells nice and fresh, so I will actually look into that if there's a different scent cleaner solution, because I would be much more happier with that. Super fast, super easy to use, lightweight, easy to store, easy to get into corners. It's very much sturdy. Price range, if you're looking at the grand scheme of things, it does add up. You got to get new pads all the time, and you got to get cleaning solutions. The one-time fee is $25.99. That's not a big deal breaker, but you are going to continue to invest in this. I also forgot to talk about the most important, like how are my floors? Even my husband just came out of the room and was like, wow, the floors are super clean. Time is more important to you. I definitely recommend this. So for me, I am giving this product a big thumbs up. As always, God bless you. Happy cleaning. So let's just, I'm gonna have a lot of bloopers today.